Okay, I'm making, I think, the last correction for winging, for to have a good point of impact from 100-meter distance. Let's go try. Okay, let's go. Okay, we're checking a bit more. The glasses. Okay, fourth round. And the fifth. Need a bit of training this type of shooting. Okay, the last round. It's really perfect result. I have got a perfect elevation. Maybe I can correct a bit, but for now it's just we checking result. Okay, and let's go. A bit of patience. Target here we go here. During I'm making a bit of order in my position of shooting. Okay. Okay. Target over here with caught, not front. Can afford. Okay, arrow here. Okay, let's go. And there's this fine rhythm. And there's okay, this is the old hole of before, and this 5 is the final result. That's a point. Okay. This is doublet. Okay. Really good result. Okay. Maybe need a bit of correction for elevation, but just a bit. And for the other question, I resolved this. Okay. Thank you for watching my video. See you at the next. My rifle, it's right. Thank you.